Pwede ba talagang maging certified caregiver dito sa Japan without taking the national licensure examination? Hello guys, good evening. This is Marl, and for this video guys, yes, we will be talking about sa sinabi ko kanina na pwede ba talagang maging caregiver dito kahit hindi ka mag-take ng national examination para sa caregiver. So this is the question po. Sir Marl, yung question niya na after serving the prefecture for 5 years, then no need na ba talaga mag-exam? They will give the Kaigo Fukushi license. Marami kasi confused about it. And the answer to this question is 1,000,000% yes. Yes na yes po. Pwede po silang magkaroon ng license ng caregiver kahit hindi sila mag-take or kahit hindi sila makapasa sa national examination for caregiver. Actually, sa video po, meron pa akong nilagay na caption sa part kung saan nagsasalita ako about dun sa license po niya. Yan po yung nakasabi dun. Now guys, let's clarify this thing. So, this is not for everyone na nagtatrabaho po ng caregiver ngayon. This system is only for those nag-aral po ng vocational school dito sa Japan. Again po, official na nag-aaral po ng vocational school for caregiver dito po sa Japan. So yung sistemang yon is after mo mag-aral ng to vocational school for caregiver po, after you graduate po, magkakaroon ka agad ng Kaigo Visa. Kaigo Visa. Ngayon, after 5 years po, kahit hindi po sila mag-take ng examination para sa lisensya, automatic after 5 years, magkakaroon po sila ng lisensya ng caregiver. Yung totoong lisensya na po talaga kasi yung pag-graduate is yung certificate po yung ibibigay. Ngayon, pwedeng mag-take every year First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Pwede ka mag-take every year. Pag hindi mo napasa, retake ng retake. You don't have to worry because after 5 years, kahit mag-retake ka pa ng 5 times or hindi ka mag-take ng exam talaga, pag nagtrabaho ka lang ng 5 years dito sa Japan, with your visa, automatic magkakaroon ka ng lisensya. Ngayon, yung sa naman yung mag-serve ka ng 5 years to a certain prefecture po, that is a scholarship program. So kung nakatanggap ka ng scholarship from that certain prefecture, you have to work for that prefecture for 5 years Pwede kang lumipat. Kung gusto yung marinig ulit yung explanation ko, you can check the comment guys. That's it. Sana po na-clear po yung question po ninyo. Kasi sabi, madami daw na-confuse. Summary po, yes po, pwede po yun. Pero hindi po sa lahat ng visa. Sayonara, ganbarimashou!